Welcome all of you to my channel Easy IT Education. Hello friends, how are you guys? Hope you all are well and having fun. Salam, Namaste and Sastri Akal to all of you from my side. Friends, today I am back with a new video, hoping to give him the same love that I have received so far. As you all know that computer has become an important part of our life nowadays. This is how all the work is done. Computer and internet have changed our life. This is a skill that can be source of employment for you, and this is also true. Friends, today's video is going to be a bit long but very important for your career. You guys are requested to watch the video carefully and don't skip it. It is going to be very beneficial for you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell, and also share with your friends and relatives. Here is our video topic today. How to land your dream data science job in 2024. Overview. Data science continues to be one of the most sought after and lucrative career fields in 2024, driven by the increasing reliance on data-driven decision making across industries. Here is a detailed look at data science careers, including salary expectations, essential skills, and job opportunities in 2024. Number 1, data science career overview. Data scientists analyze complex data sets to identify patterns, develop algorithms, and build models that can predict future outcomes or optimize processes. They work across various industries, including finance, healthcare, technology, marketing, and more. Number 2, salaries in data science 2024. Data science career offer competitive salaries that vary based on factors such as experience, education, location, and specific roles within the field. Here is an overview of salary ranges for different positions in 2024. Data scientists entry level $70,000 to $95,000 per year. Mid level 2 to 5 years of experience $95,000 to $130,000 per year. Senior level 5+ years of experience $130,000 to $180,000 plus per year. Data analyst entry level $55,000 to $75,000 per year. Mid level $75,000 to $95,000 per year. Senior level $95,000 to $120,000 per year. Machine learning engineer entry level $90,000 to $120,000 per year. Mid level $120,000 to $160,000 per year. Senior level $160,000 to $2 lakh per year. Data engineer entry level $80,000 to $110,000 per year. Mid level $110,000 to $140,000 per year. Senior level $140,000 to $180,000 per year. Business intelligence BI analyst entry level $60,000 to $80,000 per year. Mid level $80,000 to $1 lakh per year. Senior level $1 lakh to $1,30,000 per year. Data architect mid level $1,20,000 to $1,50,000 per year. Senior level $1,50,000 to $200 plus per year. Number 3, skills required for data science careers. To succeed in data science, professionals needs a blend of technical and non-technical skills. Here are some of the most important skills for 2024. Technical skills. Number 1, programming languages. Proficiency in programming languages like Python and R is crucial for data analysis, model building, and automation. Number 2, data manipulation and analysis. Knowledge of SQL for database querying and familiarity with data manipulation libraries such as Pandas, Python or DPLYR. Number 3, machine learning. Understanding machine learning algorithm and frameworks as for example TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn for building predictive models. Number 4, statistics and probability. A strong foundation is statistical methods and probability to interpret data and validate models. Number 5, data visualization. Skills in tools like Tableau, Power BI or libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn Python to create clear and informative data visualizations. Number 6, big data tools. Familiarity with big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark and Hive for handling and processing large data sets. Number 7, cloud computing. Experience with cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud or Azure for deploying and scaling data science solutions. Number 8, data engineering. Understanding of ETL means extract, transform, load, processes, data warehousing and data pipeline development. Non-technical skills. Number 1, problem solving. Ability to approach complex business problems logically and develop data-driven solutions. Number 2, communication. Clear communication skills to explain technical findings to non-technical stakeholders and present insights effectively. Number 3, critical thinking. Analytical thinking to understand and question data sources, methodologies and results. Number 4, collaboration. Teamwork skills to work effectively with across functional teams including IT, business and marketing departments. Number 5, domain knowledge. Understanding of the specific industry as for example finance, healthcare, e-commerce to provide context to data-driven solutions. Number 4, job opportunities in data science 2024. Data science offers a wide range of job opportunities across different roles and industries. Here are some common roles and their responsibilities. Data scientists develop predictive models and machine learning algorithms, analyzes large data sets to uncover insights and trends, collaborates with stakeholders to solve business problems using data. Data analyst performs data cleaning, preparation and analysis, generates reports and dashboards to support business decision making, works closely with departments like marketing, sales and finance to analyze data trends. Machine learning engineer designs and implements machine learning models for real-time applications, optimizes algorithms for performance and scalability, works with data engineers to integrate models into production systems. Data engineer builds and maintains data pipelines for efficient data flow, develops data storage solutions and databases for large data sets, ensures data quality and reliability. Business intelligence BI analyst creates data models and visualization to aid business strategy, analyzes business performance and provides actionable insights, works with data from multiple sources to build comprehensive report. Data architect designs data architecture frameworks and standards, develops and maintains data models and database structures, ensures data integrity, security and compliance with regulations. Number 5, industries hiring data science professionals. In 2024, data science professionals are in demand across multiple industries. Technology. Leading tech companies, startups, and software firms seek data scientists to innovate and develop new products. Healthcare, hospitals, pharmaceuticals companies, and biotech firms use data science for patient care, drug discovery, and operational efficiency. Finance, banks, insurance companies, and fintech firms leverage data science for risk management, fraud detection, and customer insights. Retail and e-commerce. Retailers use data science for inventory management, customer personalization, and sales forecasting. Telecommunications. Telecom companies analyze customer data to enhance services, prevent churn, and improve network performance. Government and public sector. Data science helps in public policy analysis, urban planning, and fraud detection. Number 6. Future trends in data science careers. AI and automation. Increased focus on AI and machine learning for automation and advanced analytics, ethics, and fairness in AI. Growing importance of ethical considerations and bias mitigation in AI models. Interdisciplinary roles. Blending of data science with other disciplines like marketing, HR, and operations for specialized roles. Edge computing. Growth in edge computing requires data scientists to work with decentralized data processing frameworks. Data privacy and security. Increased emphasis on data privacy, security, and regulatory compliance in data science practices. Conclusion. Data science remains a dynamic and evolving field with numerous career opportunities in 2024. With strong technical and non-technical skills, data scientists can secure lucrative roles in diverse industries. The demand for data-driven decision-making ensures that data science professionals will continue to be vital to organizations worldwide. Thanking you all for listening me patiently. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.